Hello everybody, question 25 is about shifting the equilibrium position, but be careful, to the left. Be careful. If you overlook this one, then you get the wrong answer. Sorry, so remember, look at the question carefully. First, this reaction has a negative delta H. It means it is exothermic, it releases energy. But we want to shift it to the right, so when it moves to the shift it to the left, okay, when we move back to the left, it absorbs energy, right? Absorb energy from the surrounding. How to favor the absorption of energy from the surrounding? The surrounding has to be hot, right? Give it more energy. So the answer is A and C, okay? And also equilibrium to the left means more gas molecules. Okay, on the right hand side is 1, on the left hand side is 3 gas molecule. How to favor of the production of gas molecule? Of course, the air pressure has to be low. Why low air pressure? Will favor the release of more gas molecule, right? Remember, the pressure compress it, okay? Compress the thing, stop the gas from coming out, right? So, what's the answer? Yeah, you got it. The answer is C because we are fantastic. So we got the result, okay? See you for next question.